we have new concepts, and it's called an Entropolis. Starts with an A, Entropolis. Look up the word. It means a new city within a city, close to airports and close to ports. And we are going to build this new Entropolis within Miami, creating 20,000 new jobs.
They work like
My
4 or
first
5 of them.
I believe that we should legalize marijuana. I am not an avid user of marijuana. I will not use marijuana. That's my personal belief. But medical marijuana should be legalized, and I believe in gay marriage. I believe everyone should have that ability to love who they want to love. And that is just a simple fact of who we are as Americans. From blacks and civil rights all the way through, you should have that ability to represent who you represent without staying with society.
I'm sure he has all the young votes on that one. I like that one.